Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, get the car level, engine cooled, and wait 5–10 minutes so oil returns to the pan. This ensures an accurate dipstick reading. Pull the dipstick, wipe, reinsert, and read the level in color. You need at least between the low and full marks to avoid the light returning. Once done, turn the ignition to on without starting. Observe the dash and note whether the check oil message appears or blinks, because that sets the next action. If the level is low, add the manufacturer-specified oil using small 0, 5:1, 0-liter increments. Check again to avoid overfill. Make sure the oil cap is tightened and that the dipstick tube and nearby wiring look intact, because leaks or frayed wires often trigger the light. Now, perform a simple reset. Turn the ignition on, then OFF 3 times, ending on for 10 seconds. Many cars clear the message. Otherwise, use an Dropshipping scanner to read and start the engine and let it idle while you watch the oil pressure gauge or warning light. A steady normal reading means success. If the light stays on, plug in an Dropshipping scanner, read the codes, and suspect the oil pressure sensor if codes point to circuit faults. Sensors are an easy, inexpensive swap and often the real culprit. Once replaced or codes cleared, drive a short distance. Recheck oil level and look for fresh leaks, and make sure the warning stays off.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.